a little strong. I was gonna say, I don't know what you're trying to do. I'm trying to do something, I try to do something. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my best friend, Brittany. If you watch my vlogs, you've seen her in my vlogs. Today we're trying to do like something a little bit different. I'm trying to do something a little bit different on my channel, just to add like an entertainment component. So what are we doing today? We're gonna do the best friend tag. Yeah. AKA help you guys get to know who she really is.
No, both of us. Both of us. No, okay, so this is how we're gonna do it. We have the questions on our phone and we're gonna ask each other a question, and we have like a little margaritas prepared. It's a little strong.
And smell the roses.
If you are underage,
don't do this.
Don't do this.
And virgin.
Virgin. You need to do a virgin one. But yeah, so if she gets the question wrong, then she has to take a gulp. I'm not gonna say a gulp of her drink, and then if I get it wrong, then you know.
We're probably gonna take a gulp anyway.
Yeah.
But
it's been a long week. Alright, so who going first?
You.
What is my full name?
Candace Diamond DeVos Jones.
Okay.
I'm so easy.
I should have started at the top. Don't be digging too hard now. Come on with the question.
These are so
I'm not supposed to be drinking before.
I told you. What was my first job? See if you remember, because you got the drink.
Oh,
you know I had a billion.
Your first job? It had to be in college.
Nope.
It wasn't in college?
No. Oh yeah, no, it was. You're right.
It was, because when you came here, then you worked at Joanne's, but you worked at Michael Kors before then. But that wasn't your first job? Mm-mm. Dang. Okay, what was it?
Joanne's was first.
Joanne's wasn't first. That was seasonal.
Yeah, but it was first. It was the first job I had because I came home.
Okay, well, I knew that. I knew that. But I'm going to gulp anyway because I'm thirsty. But I knew that. I said both.
This is not how this works. Okay? Final answer was wrong. You're stupid.
Did I ever get written up in school? What for?
What? This is like stupid.
But I'm saying it's entertaining. The answer is going to be entertaining. I know she knows this.
Written up? She got suspended. She got our senior year. Mind you, she had the cleanest record up until our senior year, and there's this one girl. There's one girl, we had the first period together, and it was a dance, aerobic or something, and we were outside, and this girl walked by that never came to school and like hit her in the hallway, and Candace was like, nah, I'm not gonna let this girl just try me. So we ended the period.
It was in front of my friends, so I couldn't let her try me like that in front of my friends.
It was like, you know her? Nah, she didn't know her. So then we went back to the locker room to change, and the girl was in there. So Candace came to the girl sitting out on the bench and pushed her off the bench. Yes, pushed off the bench. So then,
alright, wait. We have to tell them, if you want the full story, you're gonna have to watch a story time video, I feel like.
Okay.
We can't do the whole story in here.
Well, long story short, they got in a fight. She got suspended.
Yeah. But it was very interesting how
this would actually be a really good story time.
Actually, yeah. But...
Okay, my turn.
Oh, it's your turn. Oh, I'm not doing good. Should we be keeping points?
Girl, you've been lose, so it don't matter. What are my parents' first names?
Huh? Judith and Arthur.
Oh, I didn't know you knew that. Okay.
Duh.
You never call them Judith and Arthur.
Why would I call them that? What is my weakest subject in school?
You honestly don't really have one.
There's the answer.
I would say probably, no, you don't really have one. This is not a fair question. English? Yeah. Like, you're good at math and science, so.
So am I supposed to drink? Yeah. Yeah.
But you're not weak at English, because you used to write stuff.
But like, when it comes to like MCAT, not MCAT, but like tests, the reading
scoring is lower.
Yeah. Reading comprehension. Math is my shoes.
Who was my first boyfriend?
Brittany, this is too much.
I honestly don't even remember this answer.
Your first boyfriend, Brandon?
Oh, Brandon.
I think that was your first boyfriend.
Yeah, I forgot. See, I forgot about him. I was gonna say somebody else.
See, I know more about you than you know about yourself. If I go to jail, what could be the possible charge on me? What I did?
Assault.
Assault.
Battery.
I am not a violent person.
Fraud.
Okay.
I'm kidding.
This is just getting disrespectful.
No, but honestly, assault. Like, I feel like she can be driven to a point of insanity, but she's never reached there before. But she would probably call me to like bury somebody in the most friendly, calm, normal way possible.
Yeah, man, I just had to kill this nigga.
And I've been like, all right, where you got a spot for the body? Like, what you gonna do? Do I want kids? If so, how many?
Yes, you want kids.
Okay, it's a two-part question.
I'm thinking how. I feel like 2.
Wrong.
How many?
3.
3.
I want to have 2 twin boys and the girl.
I hate people that say that. You can't just summon up a twin child. Like, I mean, a twin pregnancy.
I'm sure you can.
You can't.
Science is amazing.
So let me know. What's the steps?
I haven't studied the science, but I'm sure.
Okay.
Whatever.
When did we fight for the last time? Like, when's the last time we fought?